"30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, there's Rambo's coming home. The old man down in the quarter slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. High black water, a devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Man came down from Chicago, he gonna set a levee right. Says it needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the quarter, he said, don't listen to that boy. The water be down by the morning and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on a Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. Oh, high black water, devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. 30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I heard the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the quarter slowly turns his head. He takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. High black water, the devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I was born in the rain on a Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, come around every June. High black water, a devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Said nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.